Hello friends, welcome to Penos.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Oliver Karma Ebonite fountain pen. And this is a pale green color body with a black color cap. And this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is the pale green color Ebonite fountain pen which has a plastic cap which has a golden color clip, a short clip and a very sturdy one, and a golden color ring on the cap. The brand's name Oliver was mentioned in the cap portion, in the clip portion, and it is a threading mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open this. And this is number 8 nib, a medium tip gold plated one. And you can swap the nibs to number 35 also because number 35 nib also suits this pen. And especially in candid, we are having in fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen with number 35. And for that, you can go to our site, click pens pairs, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query what you require. Now to the measurement. The holding area's diameter is 10.3 mm, and the body is 12 mm. And the length of this pen without cap is 126.5 mm. And with cap it is 135.8 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this with pouches and all, the same aesthetic and shininess will last forever. And pouches are the biggest safeguard for the pens. And for pouches, you can refer our site. We are having single pen pouch or double pen pouch or 4 pen pouches also available with different size slots. You can prefer as per your wish. Now to the weight. The entire weight of this pen is 18 grams. On pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder. So we will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the dust and the deposits in the feeder, you can easily remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. After removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And here all the threads are turned to worn out, so to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open and close the grip area during the ink fill. And also fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create and you will spoil your hands. Now it is quite hard to, as this is a Ebonite pen and a very long thread is there, so if we apply some grease and all, this will be a very smooth one. And also few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down so it will create some space in between the tines, so you'll get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here's some writing samples with this pen in our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. A very smooth nib. Yeah, the writing is so smooth and good, and the flow also extraordinary. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.